As you may have guessed, my name is Sapphire, and today's story is about a camel. It's called Columbia Sneezes, and it was written by Jean Bryan, illustrated by Gabe Cunnett, and published by Omnibus books. So, shall we get into it? Columbia Sneezes. Columbia Camel had 4 knobbly knees and lived in a desert with spiky palm trees. He had a fine bump where a bump ought to go, but at times he would sing in a voice sad and low. I like all the palms and the watery wells. I like all the moonlight and fresh nightly smells. I like all the dunes that rise up and then fall. But I don't like at all the sand that is carried by each desert breeze. It tickles my nostrils and fills me with sneeze. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! I sneeze and achoo! Again. The camel would sneeze every morn until night. He'd sneeze in the dark and he'd sneeze at light. He'd sneeze till his kneecaps were rattly and dry, till no other sneezers could ever sneak by. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! And then he'd sneeze achoo! Again. I'll walk to a town, said the camel one day. Perhaps city doctors have something to say. So off he went striding the wide desert land. He travelled for weeks across soft yellow sand. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! And he sneezed and achoo! Again. The first doctor told him to breathe through his mouth, to always look down and to always look south. The second said, Camel, I know this is true. You won't ever sneeze if you paint your face blue. The third doctor said, if you hum a small song, it will stop all your sneezes as you wander along. So full of such hope, Camel did as was said, but sneezes still came from his toes to his head. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! And he'd sneeze achoo! Again. One day in the desert, around about noon, a traveller appeared from over a dune. I'm thirsty, so thirsty, he muttered out loud and glanced at the sky, which was blue with no clouds. I'll fade right away like a puddle in heat. I'm gasping for water. I'm totally beat. What is your name and can you help, please? But Columbia suddenly needed to sneeze. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! He sneezed and achoo! Again. So sorry, he said. It's this terrible grit. It tickles me so. I don't like it one bit. I'll take you to water. I know of a spot. Though the trip might be bumpy, I bounce quite a lot. For hours the pair travelled. The sun beat down strong. The man clung on tight, but the journey was long. Columbia plodded, sand flicked in the breeze. Columbia knew he was in for a sneeze. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! And he sneezed achoo! Again. The sneeze was tremendous. The man shot up high, then fell with a bump on the ground, hard and dry. You're full of sneezes. It's sad, said the man. It must be a pain. I'll help out if I can. They travelled on further. They ate not a thing. At last they arrived at a deep desert spring. The man drank and drank, but a storm swept around, and Columbia sneezed till he sagged on the ground. Achoo! 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 And then achoo! And he sneezed and achoo! Again. And so they both waited until the storm passed. There must be a cure, said the traveller. at last. He peered at Columbius's front and his back, then round and around till he had worn down a track. He drummed with his fingers on head and on cheek, then tapped on his chin and he started to speak. Now here's a thought. Do you think or suppose that your sneezes could happen because of your nose? Perhaps if you drew both your nostrils down tight, the sand would stay out and, it just might. Columbia twitched his nose this way and that. He stretched both his nostrils, then clamped them down flat. Then turning so he would face into the breeze, he waited, just hoping that he wouldn't sneeze. Minutes passed by and the sand swirled around. Columbia Camel did not make a sound. He waited and waited. No sneeze came his way. My sneezes have gone, he exclaimed. Hip hooray! He jumped and he leaped and he cartwheeled about. I'm finished with sneezes, he cried with a shout. For once in his life his nose didn't run. He thanked the man kindly for what he had done. The man in return said, we did what was best, so thank you, dear Camel, and sat down to rest. Then Columbia Camel set off at a pace, with a spring in his step and a smile on his face. Singing, I like all the palms and the watery wells, I like all the moonlight and freshly night smells. I like all the dunes that rise up and then fall, so there's nothing, just nothing, I don't like at all. I hope you enjoyed and I cannot wait to see you all again next time. Ka kite!